You might not be able to play HEVC videos on your Windows PC. Like I am trying to play this video using media player and getting this error. That is, I need to buy HEVC video extension. You can always install HEVC video extension from third party website, but in this video you will see how you can play HEVC videos and how you can convert HEVC to MP4 without losing quality. So first you need to search for Pod Player on Google and go to the official website, that is podplayer.org. Scroll down to find installer option and click on it, and then choose Pod Player 64-bit and download the installer. Once downloaded, just open the file and install the Pod Player on your PC. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions to install the Pod Player. Once done, check this option, install additional codec, and then close. Now you can play HEVC or any other video using the Pod Player. You can just right click on the video and then open with Pod Player, and it will play the HEVC video or whatever video you select. Or you can just open the Pod Player and open file and select the video file. So this way you can play any video including HEVC using Pod Player. Now the second part is to convert the HEVC to MP4. Now once the video is opened, you just have to right click on the video and then go to the video option and video recording and record video, or you can press Alt+C. Now you will get video recorder with default options. If you click on start and play the video on Pod Player, it will record the video in selected format. But if you choose the default settings, the video quality would be poor. So what you can do is just right click on the video file on Pod Player and file information. Look for the bitrate, the video number 1, and we are just looking for bitrate. In this case, the bitrate is 8270 kbps. Now you have to enter this information in the video recorder option. So choose the bitrate whatever you got from the file information. Now in the file format, choose the output format which you want. In this case we are looking for MP4. So I will choose MPEG4 then MP4. Or you can select the AVI. Most of the video player and editors support these formats. And video codec, choose the H.264, this option. It will produce the highest quality of video. Now if the video has any audio, choose the maximum bitrate and then you can start the recording. Now just play the video from beginning on Pod Player. Let's play it from the beginning. And once you start playing, it will record the video. Don't worry, it won't record anything else on the screen. It will just record the video. And during recording, it is recommended to keep the Pod Player open on the screen. Do not minimize it and do not open any other apps or software. Once the recording is complete, the video play is complete, you can stop the recording. And now let's open the storage folder or output folder. Also you can navigate to this path, this one, and let's see the video. I will just double click on it and I can now play it with media player. You can see the video quality, it is really great. You are watching this on YouTube, so you won't be able to tell any difference. But I can see that it is almost lossless, around 99% of the quality of original video. But you can produce the completely lossless video output by adjusting the settings during video recording. You just have to play around with the different available codecs and file formats and bitrate, and you would be able to produce the highest quality possible. And if you check the video output format, it is MP4. Let's go to properties, and this is MP4 file. So this is how you can play HEVC videos and convert